Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Today I will show how to remove FRP on any OnePlus phone with TSM tool. I have OnePlus N200 with Snapdragon Qualcomm CPU. It has FRP lock, so we are doing unlock it with TSM tool. First, power off phone. Hold volume up and down for EDL mode. Open TSM tool. You can download and install from TSM official website. Go to OnePlus tab and select your model. My models is OnePlus N200. Click remove FRP. Then click EDL mode. Click N200. Then connect phone in EDL mode. Like this video and write a comment on below this video. Also share if helpful with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Press bell icon for getting notification of my upcoming videos. Now being with video again. Connect phone with holding volume up down, then phone will connect in EDL mode. FRP process is started. Phone has successfully FRP removed on. Set up your phone and enjoy. Check out TSM official website from description. Hope you like this video and share with your friends. Drop a beautiful comment on below this video. Subscribe this channel and press bell icon for more new updates. Thanks for watching.